How long were you in there?
At least 8 months.
Here, I'm thirsty.
What's that?
It's water.
Can I have some?
Why not? Water's good for you.
Go, 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 go.
Are you finished yet?
Go, 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 go.
Are you finished yet? Yuck.
Can I have a little bit more?
Unbelievable.
Go, 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 go.
That's enough now. Now swallow it slowly. Swallow it slowly or else you might get the hiccups. Now you've done it. Oh, here, breathe into this bag. That was useless. I know. How about I hypnotize you?
No, what?
Hypnotize you. Here, look deep into my eyes.
Deep into your eyes.
Not quite so close.
Oh, I just wanted to get to know you.
Here, instead, how about you follow my finger, okay?
Okay.
You are getting sleepy. And on the count of 3, you will be asleep. 1, 2, 3. Now asleep.
I sure am.
Are you sure you're asleep?
Yep.
Are you very, very, very sure?
Get with the program.
On the count of 3, you will be awake and your hiccups will be gone. 1, 2, 3. That didn't work. I know one more thing, but I don't know if I should tell you.
Come on, tell me.
No.
Please.
Fine. My idea is to scare you.
Yep, you should have told me.
I wasn't going to tell you. Instead, how about you sing a song?
Okay. I want to sing.
Look at the audience.
I want to sing. And my favorite thing to do is oh, you hurt my behind. And I think it blew out my backside.
Say excuse me.
You're excused.
You're going back in the case.
No, I don't want it.
Yes, you're going back in the case. Come on.
No.
Yes.
No.
Don't let me fight with you. Get in.
No. Nighty night.
Come on.
Ow, you hurt my leg.
Close up the case already. You didn't want to go in.
Now I want it.